In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a journal entry in QuickBooks Accountant using the browser version, step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Accountant account. Make sure you're in the correct company file before you proceed, because the journal entry you create will affect that company's financials. Once you're in, look to the top of the page and click the New button. This opens the Create menu, which is where you'll find most transaction types. Scroll down to the Other section in that menu and select Journal Entry. Journal entries are great for adjustments, accruals, or corrections that don't come from a standard form like an invoice or bill. Because they post directly to your accounts, take a moment to plan what accounts you need to hit and which side, debit or credit, each amount belongs on. Start by entering the journal date. This determines which reporting period the entry affects, so choose the date that matches when the financial impact should occur. Using the correct date keeps your reports accurate and makes month-end reconciliations smoother. Now it's time to build the entry line by line. For each line, select the appropriate account from your chart of accounts. In the debit or credit column, enter the amount on the correct side. If you're unsure which side to use, think in terms of what you want the account to do. For example, assets and expenses generally increase with debits, while liabilities, equity, and income generally increase with credits. Add a clear description on each line so anyone reviewing later understands the purpose of the entry. Keep amounts positive. QuickBooks knows which side you've chosen based on the column you use. Continue adding lines for each account you need to affect. A journal entry must balance, meaning total debits equal total credits. QuickBooks displays the totals at the bottom and will alert you if the entry is out of balance. Adjust your lines until the difference is 0. Before saving, review everything carefully. Confirm the date, accounts, and amounts are correct, and that your descriptions clearly explain the transaction. If your entry touches accounts like accounts receivable or accounts payable, QuickBooks may require a customer or vendor on those lines to maintain subledger accuracy, so add that detail if prompted. When you're confident the entry is accurate and balanced, click Save to record the journal entry. That's it, your books will update immediately, and the entry will appear in your reports and account registers. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.